Hey guys, today we are gonna make banana granola fruit cups. Let's get on to the recipe. First, we are gonna mash 2 ripened bananas, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 cups of granola and rolled oats, pinch of ground cinnamon, add any nuts, any seeds and raisins as per your choice. Mix all the ingredients together. Spray the cups with oil. Place the mixture in each cup. Spread your mixture to the shape of a cup. Bake these cups at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Don't these look cool? You can add any filling of your choice. Go crazy, be creative. Decorate these cups with any fruits and dry fruits of your choice and enjoy the snack. Add more toppings of your choice. Don't they look wonderful? They are ready to be eaten. Thank you for watching this video.